What up, y'all? It's your boy 0 to 100 real quick. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how to change out some bad ear cushions on the Beats. So basically, you guys see this right here, this part right here. You're gonna stick the knife into it, just like this. Get a little room and start to wiggle it. And you guys will see the inside peeling. That's the little adhesive that they give you. I'm gonna go around the whole thing, basically. Boom. Ear pad's gone. And that's what you want to have. Okay, we'll do the same thing with this side. And you'll see the adhesive is this sticky stuff right here. Still a little sticky. Same thing, right here in that spot right there. We'll get it in there, wiggle it. You just want to twist it on both sides. Get in there. Twist it on both sides until you can pry it open yourself. That's it. Yep. And then the next video that I do, I'll show you guys. And to get the rest of the adhesive off, you just want to grab some alcohol wipes or something like that, and just wipe it across there, and it'll take that off. Cool. So that's how you remove this, and then I'm waiting on my new cushions to come in. As soon as they come in, I'll make the second video, part 2, on how to put them on. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you soon.